welcome back. So the Deshmukh family comes together to celebrate the naming ceremony of Roshni and Teja's baby Laksh. Sally takes charge of decorating the cradle and lovingly arranges everything for the special occasion. But the happy atmosphere is shattered when the cradle suddenly gives way. Reacting instantly, Sally catches the baby just in time, preventing a serious accident. Rather than appreciating her quick thinking, Roshni lashes out at Sally. In a fit of anger, she accuses her of intentionally causing the incident, claiming Sally wanted to hurt Laksh and take him away. She even slaps Sally in front of the entire family, leaving everyone speechless. Sally is devastated, especially after putting herself at risk to protect the child. Witnessing his wife being blamed once again, Sachin refuses to remain silent. He strongly supports Sally and calls out the unfair treatment she has endured. Drawing a line, he declares that he can no longer watch her face constant insult and baseless allegation. In a shocking announcement, Sally decides to leave the Deshmukh house. Sachin decides to leave the Deshmukh house with Sally and start a new chapter away from the toxic environment. His unexpected decision leaves the entire family stunned and sets the stage for a dramatic shift in their relationships. Thank you for watching. Bye.